to get verified on Threads. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to get verified on Threads. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, you just need to head over to Threads, and as you can see, if you want to get verified, so getting verified looks like this. So you will see a blue check icon on the side of your name like this. So that means that you are verified. So in order to do this, what you need to do is to head over to the sister app of Threads, which is Instagram. So let's head over to Instagram. And right now, let's click on our profile icon in the bottom right here. And once we have done that, we just need to click on these three lines up here. And from in there, you can see this Meta Verified. That is a new feature of Instagram. And once you have clicked this, you will also get verified on Threads. And actually, with Instagram and Threads, it will be a whole package. So just click Meta Verified. And from in there, it will open this prompt right here. So you can join the waitlist for Meta Verified. You can see enhanced verification, proactive protection, direct support, exclusive extras, and all of that. So just click on this right here, click on join waitlist, but make sure that you are older than 18 years old and you're not a business account. So just click on join waitlist right here. And then as you can see, you're on the waitlist. So in here, you just need to wait for a notification from Instagram when you are Meta Verified is available to you. It can be sent in your email or appear on your Facebook or Instagram app. So just wait for your Meta verification right here, and after that, your Threads, Instagram, and Facebook should be verified. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to get verified on Threads. If you have guys in the comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.